Don't you to go. Chat. Holy shit, chat. We're back. We are back. Oh shit. I dropped my phone. Cool. Chat, how are we doing, everybody? What's good? Welcome back to the streams. All the man in here right now. Happy Thursday. Good afternoon, good evening, good night. Whatever it is, wherever you are. Congrats for turning up again to another blood clot stream. Gold is ripping right now. That is pretty crazy. Let's jump into it. I'm gonna start this up, chat. Let me start this camera up. Start this air conditioning so I don't sweat too much whilst I'm in drawdown. Nah, I'm joking, chat. We don't take drawdown. It's not something that's in the TRLS playbook. We don't do drawdown out here. All right, man. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? That's the most important question here, though. Because I don't know if you are, man. I don't know if you are. But in 3, 2, 1. Chat, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. What's good, Spion? Mr. Moroccan, born ready. Will's got skills. Do you have skills? That's the question, though. Do you have the skills to pay the bills? I don't know. Eugene's here. Who else? Triz, Dirty Bikes. Are you early today or I'm late? Hang on, that doesn't make any sense. Both. Chat, what is poppin'? What's good, Tom? What's good, Danny? Daddy SG is crazy. We've already started off the stream. Pagan. Mr. Moki back again with the white vans. Chat, I just took a little scalp sell here on a little evaluation off this 5-minute close. Crazy little position. Got fired from my job, that's why I'm here. Hey, fuck a job. Who needs a job, right? Gareth, what's good? We're back. Oh, yeah. I got that too. Nice, Dirty Bikes. Yeah, I was holding out on you guys. Can't lie. I was like, these guys don't deserve a position, man. They don't deserve it. Nah, I'm joking. But, chat, let's jump into it. Let's jump into it. Vid's still cooking. Man run out of credits still. Man run out of the AI credits. Crazy work. Chat, unemployment claims today. Big stuff here on the scene, on the trading scene. So we have that in 45 minutes here. Unemployment claims. Should be interesting, to say the least. Music too loud? Oh. Thank you, man. Thank you, Spion. Let me turn it down. I accidentally turned up the music instead of my mic. There you go. But chat, it's fucking hot in here, man. This aircon, what's it doing? Turn up. All right. So yeah, basically we've got that. Oh, it tells you the sessions here. That's pretty cool. Basically, yeah, we've got unemployment claims in about 45 minutes. Comics open shortly. Let's do a little analysis here so we can jump in and see what's going on. Obviously, the weekly time frame pushing up without really any bottom wick, as always. Daily, the exact same, right? Daily's got no bottom wick, really. And you are looking to essentially, potentially flip on this daily. You've grabbed a lot of liquidity from above, not much from below. Bill's been paid, bro. I'm working on assets now. That's the move, man. That's the move. Okay. So, with that being said, chat, let's take a look at this little 1 hour here. So the 1 hour's come up. Previous 1 hour closed bearish. The structure is still bullish, so we're not just jumping in full margin sells right now. Structure's bullish as hell. So you could see something like this, right? But I think before we make a continued move up, we do need to see some liquidity. London went like crazy today. London ran like a motherfucker. Genuinely just a lot of movement here. So we need to be careful. We need to look at our levels here. And the first one I'm going to put on the chart is 52 right here. I think that's a very strong level. The 30-minute did just come and close above it and essentially make a bottom wick. So if this 30 flips, I do believe you're going to continue to fill up the range, right? But with that being said, there's another level right here at 63 roughly. Yeah, 63 is quite a key level. And then also you're getting into some choppiness if you do go above that. But you probably go up towards 74 if you do close above 63. The levels are looking clean. The levels are looking nice. Declan Rice. I don't know. I couldn't think of anything that rhymed. But yeah, chat. Realistically, that's what we're going to look at here. If you do close back below, I'm going to put below 41 as well. That's going to be good for some sells below to take us down towards these lows right here at 25, roughly 24.5. But yeah, like I said, if we can get a 1 hour closure strongly above 52, that should take us all the way up towards the highs here. And we can essentially look at That being, yo, stop adding commands. Danny, I see you spamming the W's. You're banned from the mod list now. You're never getting mod ever again. Or not again, but ever. I saw it. I saw it. Trying to sneak through the commands on me is crazy. I'm going to have to get that one ready. I'm going to have to get commands, delete, ready. Just in case. We got a 15-minute closure here, chat. It looks like it wants to close bearish, though. There's also a 15-minute strong support here at 57. So we need to be a little bit careful here. A little bit careful. 15 did close above the level, though. So let's see, chat. There's a lot of potential here, man. Listen, make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Oh, how do I get out of this? Okay. Yeah, make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. We are cooking right now. We've got another YouTube video coming out today, I believe. A little trade recap from Monday's stream trade. So if you missed that, make sure you go watch it when it comes out. And yeah, chat, how you guys been, man? That's the most important thing. What you guys been up to? Anyone taking any positions? Plural of positions. How's everyone's week been so far? You guys in profit? For me, only one live trade this week, which was Monday's one. I've had a little bit of fun on some avals, but meh, nothing really. What about you guys though? I took a NAS trade, plus 0.3, good stuff, Danny. Got a BE this morning, nice. BE is a win. Can't get a plus this week. What happened, man? Waiting for news to come out. It may give us the direction of the market. Yeah, it might do. You got 45 minutes till it happens. Chat, we've got 50 people in here and 12 likes. Are you joking, man? Listen, if it doesn't get to 30 likes within the next 2 seconds, I'm scrapping you all. I'm serious. I'm going to start punching you all. Every single one. I'm going to literally, you know, like smell-o-vision where you can smell through the screen. I'm going to invent punch-o-vision, right? And I'm just going to punch you all through the camera and it's going to hit you as well. So make sure you like the stream. If you haven't already, fucking like it. I shorted, we're going to get out before news. Yeah, smart. I'm around BE. Makes sense. I think we could push down, to be fair. That 30-minute and 15 minutes decent. Could you do Forex levels? Oh, Danny, because it's you, I'll do it. Because it's you, I'll do it. Forex levels are a little bit different. I think you have one at 83 right here. You also have another level, which is pretty clean down here towards... Where is it? I would say you're looking at maybe 70, but the cleaner level is going to be all the way down here, to be honest. So the Forex levels are a little bit chopped. You got some weird ranges. You could potentially find one in the middle somewhere here, but I don't think it's worth trying to force a position in that area. So I would say just wait for a big closure outside the range. But again, futures just, the chart just looks completely different. It's kind of crazy. Pass no num. Pass no num is a good command to be on. If you missed that, then I don't know what to say. Thanks for it. All right, Danny, no worries. Yeah, if it goes down fast, I might not get out, but it doesn't seem... Yeah, I hear it. What's good, Ethan? How's it going, brother? I'm doing very, very well. How are you, my friend? I'm doing very, very well. Chat, I got a new series coming out on Instagram. I can't lie. It's going to be interesting. Check your post profits and you'll know. Oh, post your profits. Let me see. Post your profits. Yeah, nice little position. GBP JPY. Good. I like it. What role are you playing? What do you mean? You asking me to role play? That's a bit suspect. Eugene, you hit break even. You took a buy here. And then you saw that much profit and you let it hit break even. Bro, you were up 50 pipperoons. Don't joke too much today. Probably a lot of potential and stop lying for today. What? Seska, what do you mean, man? There's a lot of potential today. Bro, I'm gassed. Best trade I've ever taken. Serious milestone. Ethan, congrats, man. Oh, in my new series. Okay, I get it. My bad, highlight. Nah, basically the new series on Instagram, I'm going to be teaching my girl to trade. It's going to be sick. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Shoot the lights out. That's a good song. All right. Chat, this is going to be a good stream, man. I'm excited for this. I'm excited. Listen, we're coming towards the end of the week as well. So this is where you need to start thinking about how you're going to manage your accounts towards the end of the week, right? You don't want to take a loss on a Friday or a Thursday and get cooked. All right, cool. Just had to send a message. Look at that typing. That's like 800 words a minute. Had a horrible July and August. Proves to just stay focused and disciplined. Yeah, 100%. Crazy. We're going to get another. My boyfriend wants to show you something. Be nice reel. That reel went crazy. I can't lie. That reel literally had like, I think it got like 200, 300K. Maybe more. Let me see. Yeah, that was a sick reel though. I thought it was so funny. Oh yeah, no, I got 125K. Sorry, my bad. I was thinking about a different reel.
My boyfriend wants to show you the
yeah.
and you better be nice to him. Come on, buddy.
Bro, I thought that was so funny. Anyway. We are sort of just hovering right now, chat. If we grab some liquidity and close bullish, the buys are extremely nice here. There's no reason you shouldn't fill the range. All right, no reason you shouldn't fill the range. Let's go, Blizzy. How's it going, brother? Let's go full margin. Discipline, what's good as well? No full margins today. I mean, maybe you can full margin if you want. I won't be, but if you want to, feel free to full margin, chat. Actually, no, I take that back. This is not financial advice. Don't full margin. What if though, chat? Just what if you full margin it and make a billy? That's all I'm saying. Chat, 18 likes on the stream, 60 viewers. Blood clot. 40 likes on the stream right now, and I'll give away my left foot. All right? To someone in the chat, they'll get my left foot in a box. Joking, obviously. Hello, Sam. Much love from Kenya. What's good, brother? How's it going, man? If you full margin buys, I'll full margin sells. Let's see who makes more. Smart. If that happens, broker is going to bug. Yeah. Can't make a million on your funded challenges, guys. Do not full margin it. Bro, High Life's just a hater. You can definitely make a million on your funded challenges. You can definitely make a milli, even though it's just a challenge and you pass at 8% or whatever. If you actually get to a milli, they just pay you out anyway. No, Danny. What's good, Jay? How's it going, sweetheart? All right, chat. 7 minutes to the hourly close here. This is going to be very important. No way. Just do like 1,000 cons and get a 1,000 point win. Easy. I did that this morning. Yeah, W. I keep that foot and sell it back to you. That's business. Smart. What's good now? How's it going, man? I'm doing very, very well. How are you? Ooh, chat. This is going to be an interesting one. Very, very interesting. You do have this level here, which I'm a little bit concerned about. Where is that? 56.5 around there, which is a little bit difficult, but chat, an hourly close above this strong level to the left here would be really nice. Every time you close above here, let's take a look. Every time you close above, this time you fill the range, this time you fill the range, this time you filled up to at least 56. This time as well, same thing. This time you filled all the way. This time all the way, all the way, all the way. So chat, every time you close above 52 on the 1 hour, you should fill it up towards the highs here. Problem is, we did have a massive push during Asian and London, I guess. So we'll see. Red folder in 40 minutes as well. Comics open in 25 minutes. These are a lot of catalysts coming into the market, chat. They're going to give you essentially a lot of potential for big moves, right? All blessed. Good to hear it, man. Good to hear it, chat. If the 1 hour could flip, I would appreciate it. The 1 hour flips and closes below, sales are ridiculous. If the teacher is more than 15 minutes late, we're legally allowed to leave. Yeah, but I wasn't 15 minutes late, so you're good. Oh, wait, I need to change. This is why this camera looks weird. Wait, let me change the settings real quick. Blood clot. Now it's overexposed. Wait. Woo! Didn't really make a difference at all. Wait, why has that have so much clout in the west of England? What? What are you on about? Real skin tone revealed? Nah, I'm super tan right now, chat. Whoosh. But why is this? I'm just so confused. Is that SG? Is that silent, yeah? What's good, my brother? How you doing, man? It is me. In fact, it is. Holy shit, chat. Crazy you had the same rule at school. I thought it would be a German thing. Nah, yeah, the 15-minute rule. I don't think it was actually a rule. I think kids just made it up. What's good, my bro? I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. It's good to see you back in the streams, my bro. Unemployment on a Thursday. Definitely going to be a lot of traders getting trapped. Yeah, chat. Is it National Robux Day or something? Yeah, it's definitely Eugene. Mr. Mochi is definitely Eugene. I can't lie. 4 minutes left to the Audi close, chat. What are we going to get here? You also might get like a bearish 30 close, but I don't like this breaker structure here for sells. Because you closed above the high. You took a trade today, SG? I took some sells on an eval. Made like a tiny amount. Again, on an evaluation, so nothing really to report. No live trades. Chat, like I said, the only live trade I've had this entire week is Monday, where we hit that 82 pip banger on stream. Absolute stinker. Who's Val? Why don't you come on over, Valerie? That's who Val is. Victory settings. What's good, brother? What's good? What's good? What's good? Chat, I bet you didn't know I've got pipes like that, eh? I got that lyricism in me. I'm joking. I think we fill the weekly wick. Weekly wick, man. Wheelie cool. Yeah, maybe. Or up to the high or the weekly wick down. Either. Mochi takeover, crazy. What? Her name is Val? Who's Val? Nice. Nice. No one's called Val. Well, someone is called Val, but no one I know. Up high? Yeah, potentially. My nan's called Val. Nah. Your nan's definitely still called Eugene. Where's the Harry Potter outfit? Shh. Silent, bro. Most of these guys are new to the stream. They don't know about that. Don't. Shh. Don't bring that back. All right? We're not bringing this back up. I thought your missus called Valeria. You sang, mate? Nah, yeah, it's just a song. Amy Winehouse. R.I.P. Chat, 2 minutes here to the hourly close. I still remember 10K. Bean bath. It's not happening. I think that was 10K by the end of 2024. I put a caveat on that one. I learned my lesson from the Harry Potter stunt, and I put a caveat on it. Chat, 70 viewing here right now. I appreciate it very much. We're looking for a position on this hourly close. Can we get a nice little buy above here? That's going to be super nice. Make sure you drop a like already. If we don't get to 50 likes by the hourly close, I'm not telling you the position. I'm just going to take it myself. And you guys are going to miss out on all the pips. And I know most of you that just joined up are pip and dippers because I put this on the screen. So, yeah, you're going to miss out. So, fuck you. I'm joking. Yo, Mochi, man, you're actually moving crazy. Absolutely ridiculous, chat. Oh no, it looks like we're in drawdown. Chat, I think Comics Open could be good as well. I'm inside your eyeballs. Bro, Mr. Mochi, there's people all in your walls. Like, there's literally people hiding in your walls. They're looking at you right now. Imagine this guy is actually just on like acid or something, just tweaking out. Chat, we are going to close below by the looks of things, but look at the liquidity that we're grabbing. See, this candle's got no big top wick. This one's got no big top wick. We haven't really grabbed any liquidity from above, so I can't really take the sells to come down here. What I could do, I mean, the hourly is relatively okay, but again, this all looks like liquidity to push back up. Chat, a little lesson quickly. The way that I identify trends, right? Or not I identify trends, the way I identify sort of... Wait. This is a clippable moment. Nah, so the way I identify sort of short-term momentum in the market is looking at these candle wicks. You can see, right? A lot of these candles don't have big top wicks whatsoever. They have small ones, and the body of the candle is way bigger than the top wick, which for me identifies that we haven't grabbed any liquidity from up in these areas, which means a push down is going to be quite difficult. As well as that, you've got wicks to the downside, like this one, and this one, which again means you've grabbed more liquidity from below than you have from above, which again indicates to me that pushing down is going to be hard. As well as that, you have like a 30-minute change of structure, right? You closed above the most recent high on the 30-minute, making a higher high. So again, that's another bullish indicator for me. So even though we're closing back below a range, which would be good for sells, for me, all of these little confluences are telling me we have a little push up here. So no sells right now. Until you get a big liquidity wick, maybe breaking some of these highs and then a bearish close, that's when you can take them, right? Clip ended. Thank you. Chat, you did close below here though on the hourly, which is interesting. Weak closure. Bottom wick first, maybe? But you do have news as well in 30 minutes. Nice, I did the analysis before I came here to see if I'm right. Good stuff, Alex. Yeah, chat, that's a really good idea, by the way. Most of the people that do that learn very quickly, right? So I have a lot of people that come in and they say, I'm going to do my analysis first and then jump on the stream. And that's a good way to figure out if you're plotting your levels right, plotting out your analysis right, because if you just come to the stream and see my levels, it's just confirmation bias, right? You're going to be then like, oh, yeah, I can see why there's a level there. I can see why there's a level there. But you're not actually going to be learning how to do it for yourself. So if you do your analysis before you jump on stream and then go ahead and actually, you know, check with my levels, it's like checking your results, right? Then you can, you're going to learn a lot quicker, right? Fund me 100 and you didn't even finish your sentence. I might be bigger than you, but you're smarter. JK right now? Nah, you're all good, bro. You probably are bigger than me. I'm cutting at the minute, so I'm getting a bit smaller. But I'm also getting leaner, which is nice. What's good, Will? How's it going, brother? What's a Sky Dweller? It's a watch. It's a Rolex. It's also the play that's going to enable me to buy my next Rolex. TRLS Concept Sky Dweller play is printing money like crazy. I'm so rich is a crazy thing to put in chat. What's good, Ranko? How's it going, brother? What's good, Malenko? Hi, it's Eddie from Coinbase. We noticed a suspicious login from Mexico. Can you confirm this was you? Yeah, that was me, bro. I'm in Mexico right now. What's good, SK? How's it going, my bro? Fund me $100. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah, but you couldn't even finish a sentence. So why would I give you $100 if you can't commit to finishing a sentence? Come on, man. I'm a Casio guy. Casio. Chat, comics open here in 18 minutes should give us a lot of volume as well. This is going to be very interesting. I do think we can fill this wick to the upside here. I'm craving $100. Chat, fuck that. I'm craving $1 million right now. You know what would be nice? Just to take the edge off a little bit. Just $1 million. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your bank account. It's just got 7 figs in there. Oh. SG, can you give me your MT5 login details? Yeah. It's basically the way you log into my MT5 is you go over and you go over to wap.com/trendlines, right? And then what you do is you just join this right here, right? And then what happens is you get my MT5 login details. I'm joking, you don't. That would be fake advertising, chat. And YouTube's gonna fucking smoke me for it again. Use code UNCSG for 80% off Apex Wells. Chat, what the fuck? But chat, honestly, Apex currently does have an 80% off sale right now. So if you do want to go and get some evaluations with Apex, make sure you use code TRLS and you're gonna get 80 blood clot % off, which is fucking insane. As well as that, if you go over and get, if you want a Forex evaluation, right, a Forex prop firm, the best deal right now in the industry, in my opinion, is code SG at ACG. That's going to get you 20 bomber clout % off, which is crazy for ACG, right? Nah, I've been baited. It's the old bait and switch, man. I can't trade Apex in Morocco, damn it. Oh, so you actually are in Morocco. That makes sense by your name, by the way. I've been to Morocco. I enjoyed it. Morocco was nice. I was only there for literally a day, but it was good. Can't lie. Can't lie, yeah. Nah, but we went to like a mountaintop restaurant, had some tagine. It's fucking fire. Bro, I love tagine. Good ass food. Yeah, man. Chat, 5-minute closing above here again. Grab some liquidity as well. Bottom wick on this hourly open. Might see a continuation up. I don't know, chat. You need to come back again? Yo, you know what it was? I was on a yacht with some of my friends from school back in the day. Because one of their parents had a yacht, standard. And yeah, we were in Marbella and they were like, oh, do you want to take it over to Morocco and just go get some food there? I was like, what? They were like, yeah, we'll just drive it over to Morocco. There's a good hilltop restaurant. We'll go over there and get some food. And I was like, yeah, say less. And that's what happened. Fucking crazy work. Honestly, that's genuinely, I was 16 at the time. And that's the reason why I've got such a hunger for money now, is because I saw shit like that. Subtle flex? Nah, it's not. It wasn't my money at all. It was just someone I knew. Like, it's nowhere near a flex to do with me, but it was a good experience nonetheless. Is the 600K funding or live account? I have $600,000 in funding on prop firms, live, like past prop firms. And then I also have a relatively large live account as well that I trade. Yeah, man. But it's not, yeah, it's not an eval, it's a past account, obvs. How large? Eugene, that's not the first time you've asked me that question. You need to stop asking me how big things are. Bring back emos? Not the emos, man. Not the emos. Want me to time him out? Yeah, get Eugene timed out. What's good, Calm? Yo, whole gang's here today, chat. Chat, let's get to 50 likes on the stream, man. There's 90 of you in here right now. I appreciate it very, very much. We're trying to get a position here on potentially on the next 15-minute or when Comics opens, or we're going to wait for news. But realistically, there's so much potential right now, chat. I'm not going to lie. So, yeah, let's see if we can get some nice little positions here. I'm not in this trade right now, but I was looking for a closure above on this hourly, which we unfortunately did not get, right? I'm missing the winter, can't lie. Chat, I can't wait to go skiing in winter, man, because it's been so hot here in Cyprus. Literally, it was 42 degrees yesterday. It's hot like every single blood clot day here. And don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining at all. I love it, but I am missing a little bit of the cold sometimes. I'd like to go to the gym in like hoodies and joggers, you know. I miss the winter arc. The winter arc was crazy. No more blood clotting, sir. Stop. I'll say blood clot as many times as I want to say blood clot. All right. I'm going skiing in Decky still. Nah, there's no Decky. I'm boiling when we got 30 here. 40 is crazy. I know. 42 in Cyprus is like standard August weather. It's fucking mental. The other day, chat, I told you guys, it got up to 48 degrees here. 48. I was about to say blood clot, bomber clot degrees. It's crazy though, honestly. All right, chat. How's everyone's week been though? Are you guys sitting in, wait, oh shit, Raze, what's good, brother? How you doing, man? Everyone in profit this week? Anyone got any payouts? Anyone got any nice little W trades? Any past funded? The boy Gareth from the one-on-one passed his first ever funded. I said that yesterday, but I can't believe it. He bought one funded ever in his life, passed it. That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying. Passed 2 FTMOs yesterday? Nah. Yeah, Gareth, what's good, brother? Requested payout? Woo! Mr. Silent. What'd you request? Not that it matters. Any payout is a good payout, right? That's a dubski right there. Chat, flipping here on the 1 hour. 100 mil? 100 mil? Come on, bro. You're better than that. You can make more than 100 mil on one payout, bro. That's light work. Green past 2 weeks waiting for the payout request. Good shit, Moroccan. Congrats. Yeah, I took the whole company. Fair. Bro owns ACG or FTMO now. Got smashed yesterday until a gold sell, which got me out B and hit that GJ to get me 1% from phase 2. Nice, Ethan. Good stuff. Come on, Sean. Something light. Yes, sir. Chat, we're going crazy, man. TRLS is going mad right now. Honestly, you guys are killing it. You guys are actually killing it. Every day I see more W's. I see more pass fundeds. I see more payouts. Everything, bro. It's crazy. Honestly, I'm so happy to see it. I get more excited about you guys getting payouts than when I get a payout. It's kind of mad. It's kind of backwards, but it's actually true. I'll take a withdrawal. I'll be like, yeah, okay, but I could have gone more. And then I'll see you guys get a payout. I'll be like, woo! Gassed about it, you know? Being here will change everything? Yes, Tony, it absolutely will. See, chat, look why we didn't take the buy as well. Look why we didn't take that buy is because Flipperoonie after closing respecting. This now looks decent for sells though, right? I can't take it, but this looks decent, especially if this 30-minute closes bearish here, or even the 1 hour. Made a small withdrawal yesterday. It's coming. Good stuff, Tony. We see your subscriber count growing, my bro. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it's been crazy recently. Love the good for your friends, so God gives you the same shit. Yeah, true. Should I full port now? Hey, I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. How's Mrs. Trendline's trading going? Bro, she made 80 bucks yesterday on a... Or not yesterday, the other day on a demo account. We're still on demo, obviously. She's brand new, right? But yeah, man, she took a little breakout. Little breakout flip ski. She let it ride for like, she was like, is 50 pips good? I was like, woo! Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Bangers. You know what though, chat? When you're new to trading, you don't know like the 10 pip closures and shit. You'll just let those trades run. So I'm gonna teach those good habits from day one, right? But you know what girls are like as well? They have no ego when they're trading. I genuinely think girls could be better traders than guys because they don't have the ego. They're not trying to risk 5 billion%, try and make $1 million a month, right? They're just like, oh yeah, I'll just take this. Ghost smell. Yeah, you don't want to get those cooties, right? Chat, 15-minute closure. Low-key fire take. Yeah, I know. We need to admit it. No, yeah, I think all guys will admit it, to be fair. Like, we literally all have quite big egos. And even the guys with small egos, the ego's bigger than a girl's one, right? So, my mum reeks. It's crazy, Eugene. You can't say that about your own mum. What's good, JJ? How's it going, brother? $10 billion. Bro just said his own mum stinks. That's crazy. That's devious work. Not true? Crazy. Chat, we're struggling to move either way here. My girl would place a trade and go do other shit whilst I'm here fixating on my trades. Yeah, trust me. Bro, like my girl would be cut a loss because she's like, oh, it's okay. It's gonna go the other direction. It's like, what? You don't have to be right every time. What's going on? Guys, like, we have to be right, you know? We're so stubborn. Legit have to be like, oh, I need to be right on this position. And it's not even about the money, it's just ego. Whereas girls are like, smart thing to do here is probably to close. So they'll just close it out. Bullshit, man. Honestly, chat, that's it. The new course is coming out. How to channel your femininity in trading. I'm going to start acting super zesty before we get in a position, right? And then it's going to make us hold the trade longer. Chat, this is knowledge. This is literally smart right here. Hey guys, so I think I'm going to take some buys here because like it might be pushing up and there's a lot of opportunity for it to fill the range. So he could be onto something. I'm telling you guys, it's facts. Get the nails out. Yeah, trust me. You're awfully good at that. No. Stop it. Stop it, man. Hang on. Yeah, so basically, guys, like, all right, we're gonna get in a fucking position here, yeah. Gonna get my girl to manage my trades. Smart move. This is how I made $1 million as a trans trader. That would go crazy. Real voice reveal. Yeah, trust me. Concentrate. A lot of potential. Bro, we got news. We got comics open in 6 minutes here. I'm not taking a trade just before that. We need some volume first. The volume indicator coming into the charts, man. Who said to stop is insane. Yo, yesterday Tom put in the chat like, don't stop talking. I'm about to bust. Insane. Was gone for 2 minutes. Came back and yeah. What am I hearing? Nothing, Danny. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Ayo, yeah, I know, chat. Honestly, like we used to keep talking. I'm always here, bro. We used to be locked in for the entire stream, and then towards the end of stream, it'd get a little bit suspect. Now we're starting the stream with suspect behavior, and I'm not a fan of it. All right, you guys need to pattern up. Surely that deserves a 5-minute timeout. Get him gone. Get him gone. Chat, we've got 15 minutes till news as well. Bomber clock. Locked in streams are boring whilst waiting for steps. So that is true. You are completely right. Yeah, of course. Chat, this 15 close. If this hourly close like this, to be fair though, you'd have a nice little opportunity for sales on the way down. Let's see, chat. I think there's so much potential today, especially like comics open, then news. News is on the 30-minute, right? So if you get like a 30-minute bullish close, bottom wick, flipperooski, that's going to be our trade. What's your bias on gold? I don't really have a bias at the minute. We're more bullish in terms of structure at the minute. But I'm also very conscious that we've not really grabbed any liquidity from down below. So we could also make a little push down before the push up. How forcing myself to be gay made me profitable. Going to be the next YouTube vid. Devious work. Devious work. Nas might have an all-time high. You know what? When NQ did that little rip down, like a couple of weeks, a month ago or so, whenever it was, you know when it made like a really, basically like a flash crash down here, I was desperately trying to pull some liquidity out from like other investments to try and invest, like as in long-term investments. I wanted to put like 10-20k into NQ down here, and I couldn't get it out in time. It said like the withdrawal period from some of my other investments was like a week. And by the time that week happened, it was already back up. No, it wasn't down here, sorry. What am I talking about? It was this flash crash. I thought I was looking at the weekly. This one here. You know when it like made that huge fucking thing, but by the time I like got it out, it was already back up here, and I was like, fuck, there's no point now. Realistically, there would have been, right? But everybody saw that as liquidity. Every trader knew that was fat liquidity, but it's just so unfortunate I wasn't able to capitalize. That's why you need to have like liquid investments as well, rather than just illiquid ones. I learned my lesson on that. Have some cash in the bank ready to go. Because if you're all tied up and very illiquid, you can't really react to anything. I caught the snipers wick entry buys on the monthly time frame. Gonna hold this swing for some time. Nice. SG went from Harry Potter to Batman. I'll be Batman. I'll be Batman. Fuck it. I need a Batmobile though. I mean, I kind of had a Batmobile and sold it. Fuck. That Mercedes I had was genuinely like a Batmobile, I would say. And to be fair, my current car is also all blacked out. So this is more. This one was more Batmobile than the others. Are you back in the UK? No, I live in Cyprus now, man. Full time. Whipperoonski. Oh yeah, we changed the whip as well. So now all the badges are black. All of this at the back is black. Did some modifications. Was it CLA blood? No, bro. No. I mean, it was a CLA, but it was a modded out one. YSAC package. What do you drive, Will? You little puff. Crazy. My bad. What color's your CL? I'm joking. How is it? Cyprus is incredible, man. Yeah, it's fucking incredible. I love it out here. It's literally paradise. Tax haven. Fucking brilliant weather. Fire beaches, fire food. Don't you miss the UK? What would I miss about the UK? Would I miss fucking the fact that everything's 10 times more expensive? Would I miss the fact that there's literally shit all to do there? The fact that I paid 50% taxes? What would I miss? The only thing I miss is my family. I've switched up on my day one, so that doesn't matter, right? They're already gone out of the picture. No, I'm joking. Any other plans on Bali? Nah, fuck. I'll go Bali to visit it now, but I'm literally You know, my company's out here in Cyprus now. I have a place in Cyprus. I have other investments in Cyprus. I'm here pretty much for the foreseeable future, right? Everyone switches on their day ones when they get a girl. Nah, not everyone. You switch on your day ones when you get money. That's what it is. You know what it is though? I can't lie. Like, everybody talks about like, oh, don't switch up on your day ones. Some people now say do switch up on your day ones. But you know what it is? There's just a difference. I can't lie. I love my boys from day one, right? But like, there's just sometimes there's a difference in like opinions, different in perspective, in conversations, all that sort of thing. And it's like, it's tough sometimes, man. It's tough. I love my day ones being on separate grinds. Yeah, that's exactly it, Calm. Like, I can't lie. And it sounds super cringy. It sounds like that Jaden Smith quote yesterday, you know? You know, like, can we talk about the political and economical state of the world right now? That one, right? It sounds like that, but I'm here like trying to work on stuff. Obviously, different financial situations as well means you can do different stuff. But I love them, man. I'll hang out with them and stuff. It's just we talk about different things. We think about different things, different work ethic, all of that sort of thing. It's just one of them ones. Depends on the relationship that you had. What kind of day ones? I understand. Yeah, no, it's just, you are right. It does depend. What's good, Rastafari? It's good, Mr. Kata. You are your environment. This is true as well. Chat, that's the biggest thing Cyprus taught me. Like, I moved to a country where there's like billionaires everywhere. For example, one of the football teams in Limassol just got bought by a Russian oligarch, bro, for like billions. No, not billions, like hundreds of millions. And he's just spending bare money on it. Like, the money out here is different. I see Brabuses and yachts and shit every day. It's just like, genuinely, chat, one of the biggest advices I would, you want to be Jamaican? Definitely not. I'm just making a joke with that. The genuine thing I would say is, if you get the opportunity to switch up to a better environment, 100% do it. It's the best thing you can possibly do. Different perspectives, different environments, everything. Before ski time, yeah, bro, you have to pull up, man. Yeah, chat, honestly, it just changes your life. Bit defensive there. What's wrong with Jamaicans? Nothing, but I'm just not trying to be one. Skill issue if you don't. Yeah. Also, like, chat, why the fuck would you want to pay crazy taxes? What's the point in that? Also, stuff like the UK is bringing out laws to like monitor crypto and like monitor people's bank accounts. Any transaction over 10K gets flagged. It's like, bro, I send transactions over 10K quite often. What the fuck would I... Why would I want to be monitored every time I do that? And just simple stuff like, Cyprus is way more business friendly, you know? They let you do stuff more. The banks are way more easier to get loans off of. They're happy to invest in stuff a lot easier. It's just way better. Whereas in the UK, it's all like trying to keep you down as much as possible. What's the tax in Cyprus? I pay, so the way my, and chat, this is not legal advice or anything like that. I pay 12% corporation tax, and then I pay 2% personal tax. Didn't ask that for you all to fight. Yeah, nah, we're just playing, bro. It's all good. Welcome, nicey though. Welcome. Are we in on the trade? No, not yet. But this 30-minute close could be very nice here. Could be very, very nice. What's the process of change? What's good, Space Skrilla? How you doing, man? What's the process of changing tax residency to Cyprus? It depends where you're from. Are you from the UK or from Europe? If you're from Europe, it's fucking piss easy. My girl just literally moved out here. Nothing really had to happen. What's minimum wage in Cyprus? It's not very high, bro. If you're coming out here to work a job, it's not worth it. I will say that. This average wage in Cyprus is like 1,500 euros a month. Right? It's not worth it for that. But if you have a business that's already making money and you work online, it's 100% worth it. UK? Okay. Process in the UK is very simple. It's not very simple. There's a lot of things to do. Just need to know what to pay my girl. Yeah, trust me, I do the same. Basically, you set up a business out here. You're not allowed to be employed. If you're a UK citizen, you can't have an employment here. Technically, I'm a visitor. I have a 1-year rolling visitor visa until I buy my property, and then I'm going to be here like a permanent resident, right? But until then, I'm a 1-year rolling visa. And basically, set up a company, have a certain amount in the bank, basically you need a contract of residency. So you need either to buy a place or to have a rental place. And then you need to just turn up and tell them what you're doing here and all that sort of thing. And then, you know, you go to immigration. You have to pay like a decent bit of money to do it, but it's worth it. In my opinion, chat, I have a guy who can, I have basically a lawyer who does like a full package, which is what I did. So if you want that, just DM me and I'll help you. That's for UK, not EU. If you're from the EU, just turn up here and say, can I have a visa, please? And they go, yes. You don't even need one. My girl still doesn't have a visa yet because we didn't need, there was like no rush, right? Have dual nationality? Oh yeah, you do. You have Irish nationality, right? Oh, you're easy then, bro. You don't need to do any of the bullshit that I had to do. You just move here. Is there a minimum spend for your property that they put in place? If you want immediate permanent residency, I think it's 300K. I don't know. Use code SG to get 20% off at the lawyer. Yeah, trust me. No, legit though. I actually do have a hookup for that. Not an affiliate hookup, just a hookup. When did you learn to swim? When I was about 4, probably. I got an EU passport as well, but in terms of actually removing yourself, oh yeah. So removing yourself from paying UK tax is different. You have to fill out a form online that basically says you're not going to be in the UK anymore, you're not working in the UK anymore, and you're not a tax resident. Once you get that back, you can't stay in the country for more than like 60 days for a year, I think. So I can't go back to the UK for more than 60 days per year. Otherwise, they're going to force me to pay tax. So that's why I barely go back. I'm going to go back in like a month, but fuck that. Only for like 3 or 4 days. Blood clot. Did you move the company out to Cyprus or start it once you got there? No, I set it up before I was out there. I didn't move anything out there. I just set up a brand new one. Chat, news in 4 minutes. Yeah, Mr. Ray's is right. So what I'm thinking is if you get a bottom wick on news and then a flip, we could have like a nice little Sky Dweller play here. Why is it only 1? Oh, okay. Let me log into the broker. What's good, Ash? That means ass in German, by the way. What's good? Love from India. Appreciate it. 20. T-Pizzy up to the top of the range. Oh, chat, that'll be a nice little maneuver. As long as you close above. Does setting up a company not help you get residence? Yeah, it does. That's part of the thing, right? When rules here in the Netherlands are fucked up. When you live in another country, you need to pay Dutch tax no matter what. Yeah, that's why the same in the UK. So that's why I had to renounce my UK citizenship. Technically, I'm not a resident of the UK anymore, which is crazy. Just said I love you. Crazy work. I appreciate it. Chat. 2 minutes till news here. Let's lock it in. No, it's even when you don't have Dutch residency anymore. That can't be possible, bro. Because if you're not a resident, then you don't apply to their rules. You are struggling? I'm not struggling. I'm good. Bro just came in to tell me I'm struggling. I want to move as well. I hope I get some good payouts and fuck off from this country. Yeah, do it, brother. All these strategies are super hard. Do you know simple strategy? Adam, bro, the strategy I trade. In fact, I had a call with one of my one-on-one students, Tom, in the chat yesterday, and Gareth as well yesterday, and both of them were like, the strategy is so simple, bro. And it literally is so simple. Literally go watch my YouTube video. I have a free course on my YouTube channel. It's the most simple thing in the world. Are you in a trade? Not yet, but this is what I'm looking for off news, right? I'd basically be looking for a buy, stop, and a flip. Oh yeah, chat. Unemployment claims coming out in a minute and a half. What do you think news is going to do? Press 1 in the chat for up, 2 in the chat for down. So type a 1 if you think it's going to go up, 2 if you think it's going to go down. Does it work on every pair? Yes. 1. What do we think, chat? Is news going to go up or down? 3 won't move. If it doesn't move, that's crazy. Both? Yeah, maybe. I would like it to come down first and then up. If it comes down first, I'll have a buy stop on the flip. 55 seconds, chat. So, I need to pee as well, man. I have to wait, though. Wait for the news. Chat, it's pushing up before news. This is cooked. If it doesn't give us a top wick on this 30, that's going to be jarring. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Lock it in here. 33 seconds. Why is the trading view chart late? That's weird. Why does it say 43 seconds on futures? Is that because of my clock or what? All right, chat. 20 seconds. Wait, it's not 20 seconds, is it? It should be out. 5 seconds. P on stream is crazy work. What the fuck? Devious stuff, chat. All right, news is coming out here. What are we gonna see? I don't know why the times are fucked up. Maybe it's Forex Factory that's wrong. All right, chat. 30 minutes closing here. What are we gonna get? No top wick and then a rip up. Yes. Yes. Cooked. No top wick, then the rip up. It didn't even give us the bottom wick as well. That was the trade we were looking for as well to fill the range. Holy shit, chat. Let's pretend we were in it. You know what? It gets desperate times when you have to pretend you're in a position. But let's do it. Whoa, chat. TP hit. Wow, congrats. W's in the chat. Wow. I'm joking. Wait, I'll be back in 2 secs, yeah? All right, you can chill out now, man. We're back. We can chill out. Sniffing the chair through my screen. What the fuck? Chat, this guy's got a problem, huh? This guy's got serious problem. That's crazy. Chat, literally, there's 100 people in here right now. We are close to 50 likes. Let's get to... Chat, if we get to 75 likes, I'll do a Apex giveaway. I can't say it because YouTube's gonna... One of those. You know what I mean? YouTube's gonna flag me if I say it, but if we get to 75 likes, I'll do one of them. So drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Give way to the Apex. We're speaking in code here, chat. If we get to 75 likes, we'll do one of them. Chat, you're gonna feel the range though. This is tough. Maybe if this 15 can pull back, we can get something off that closure above market structure shift. I believe we're going to take these highs as a minimum, right? You're probably going to come up and take London and Asian highs. I don't see why you wouldn't. There's a lot of potential here. So realistically, either we wait for a close right this above the high to take that up to the top of the range, or we take something up like this. Full port time? Yeah, maybe. Chat, stay patient, man. Stay patient. So you wait for session high, low, or sweep, then target the opposite liquidity? Not necessarily. We don't always wait for session high and low sweeps. Can you explain why you didn't enter? What do you mean there was nothing to enter? 30 minute had no top wick, which is again, and not like immediately we can't enter off that. You just can't. That's too low. Chat, this camera's bugging me out. All right, yeah, so 30 minute had no top wick, which means you can't enter. The next 30 minute made no bottom wick as well, so we can't enter. And there was news, so there was literally nothing. Literally no trade entry whatsoever. Unfortunate, but just the truth. Adam, the strategy just consists of waiting for a breakout of one range, right? and then waiting for a liquidity grab, whether that's a sweep or a bottom wick or whatever it is, and then a continuation upwards, and that's it, to fill the range. It fills the range every time. Chat, if you are interested in learning the strategy in full, I do have a free course on my YouTube, but I also have a one-on-one mentorship. The spaces are currently full, but if you do want to apply, the link is right there. And when we free up the spaces, we'll give you a call, right? But yeah, literally, chat, we've been killing it with that. I can't lie, like absolutely killing it. So many people getting funded from the mentorship, which is insane, and getting crazy payouts too. What can you say, man? What the skibbity Riz, you know what I mean? Oh, it's fucking, I take it back. That's terrible. W Mentor, yeah, I appreciate it, Danny. Even not from the mentorship though, from the free shit as well, chat. We're just literally going crazy. Like the amount of people making money from just the free YouTube videos and the free Discord is insane. Like truly crazy. Sells $33.99. Wait, what's that on Forex? $33.99. Up here? Nah, I don't know, maybe. I knew it was buys from the morning. Yeah, same, but we just couldn't grab them, right? It's just like when there's no entry, chat, if you know what it's going to do, but there's still no entry, it doesn't make a difference. Like, it just doesn't make a difference. You can't just take something just because of NQ. Don't NQ and gold correlate? No, not really. Not really at all. They're very different instruments, right? Very different. Chat, so the plan now is going to be, we'll wait for like a 15-minute closure here in about 8 minutes. See if it closes above. We can take the buys up to fill the range. Otherwise, we'll wait for the 1 hour close and then maybe NYC open. But how many people do you take on at once? I take on 5 every quarter. So not many at all. Because it's super like, it's super intensive in terms of like one-on-one calls with me and everything. I couldn't take on any more than that. How many men, bro, chat, this is crazy. How many men do you take at once? It's insane work. Can we see a pullback here, chat? Pullius Bacchius. Cousin of Biggius Bacchius as well. Did you say 5 a quarter? Yeah. Yes. 5 man. When you drop the new course, is that for your YouTube or WAP? It's going to be for the WAP. I'm updating the full WAP course, right? For the full, that's not the mentorship. That's like the course. But yeah, if you're in the mentorship, you obviously have the course, right? I'm also going to be doing a free YouTube course, though, like a full free YouTube course. It's going to be a huge one. It's going to be massive, chat. SG takes 5 men a quarter, confirmed. We take women as well. Don't tell my missus, she'll kill me. I'm joking, I don't do that. Chat, 5-minute close, no top wick at the level as well. Honestly, the course has been so valuable. I'm not in VIP anymore, but defo worth it. That's what I'm saying, man. Took partials and SL in profit. W silent, good shit, man. Took a breakout buy. Nice. From where? Where did it break out? Bro, look at that 5-minute no top, no bottom wick was cooked. If only it gave us a decent... Oh, did it have a wick on the 30? Oh, it did on Forex. Oh, what the flip, chat. That's bullshit. Was going to get out before news, but I just held. Nice. You got to risk it for the biscuit sometimes, man. Bro, I'm actually starving. SLB risk free before news. Can't complain, right? Imagine though you get slipped on news, chat. You gotta be careful doing that. Even if you're in a position on news and it's like risk free, you still gotta be careful. Because you can get slipped like crazy. Still waiting? Yeah, patience, man. I'd hold my head. Yeah, good. That makes a lot of sense. Patience is a virtue. It is indeed, especially in trading. You know what the funny thing is though, chat? I'm not patient at all. outside of trading. Like, I'm literally not patient at all. But in trading, I'm obviously like probably one of the most patient traders you'll ever see on social media. Like, genuinely, we barely take trades. New subs, what's the name of your course? I'll check it out. If you want the free course, it's just on the YouTube. But if you want the full course, which is like basically the entirety of my strategy from A to Z, including psychology, risk management, how to pass props, etc., I'll just send the link in right now. And you can sort of apply there. You never wait for me to get ready for the lib. Oh yeah, bro. That's the thing at uni as well. I was so impatient. Can you stop saying massive? You sound like an ICG South African trader. I was actually saying massive like the low taper fade meme because I thought it was quite funny, but whatever. I feel like there are only some real ones out there, and this guy, you and this guy called Umar Ashraf. Yeah, I don't know about him. Well, I don't know. I've never seen his content, so I'm not saying he's not. I just don't know about him. Full margin, we go full margin. Full margin, we're going in. Full margin. I love those guys. What's good though, Will? Now, welcome to the streams, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. But I appreciate it, MK. I appreciate you saying I'm one of the good guys. Because you are right. The industry's pretty cooked out here, but I'm pretty sure, chat, you've seen enough from me from now on. Live streaming every single trade for the past fucking 2 years nearly. Every single day. How many streams is that, chat? When was the first stream? First stream was January 2024. It's now... Wait, how many days... From January 2024 to today, excluding weekends. You HSDMO, fuck off. All my days. I should have just asked ChatGPT, to be honest. I think it was the 20th of January 2024 to today. Yeah. Calculate. No, I don't want to exclude weekdays because we still streamed. Oh wait, no, wait. I want exclude weekends. Okay. 404 days, chat. So that means we've probably done 404 streams. How many hours is each stream? 2.5 roughly. So 4 times 2.5. 1,000 hours of streams, chat. Yeah, I was gone a couple of days, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's take away like 30 days, whatever, it doesn't matter. Day one, chat, that's like 1,000 hours of content. That's ridiculous. I just paid for HS Signal Group and I'm down 3K. Yeah, sure you did. Fucking HS, man. Bro, I saw a video yesterday. It's like HS was like, yeah, so my trader took a position for me overnight and it was minus 60K, but now it's 3 grand, so I can close out in profit. Minus 60 grand to 3K profit. Yippee. The risk to reward on that is brazy work. And he was like, yeah, I was sweating. And this guy calls himself a trader, bro. These guys are not traders. None of them are traders. They're retards is what they are. By the way, I've seen you win a trade with that nice song yesterday. Oh, yeah, true. Good stuff, Ethan. Who are your earliest and most loyal followers? Most loyal is crazy work. Chat, most of the people that have been here since day one are still here, which is crazy. That shows you a lot about the community, right? If this was a community that was bullshit, didn't give any value, and maybe was like, you know, I guess what, a scam or whatever, all of the day ones would be gone right now. But they're all still here. This is a cult? Yeah, trust me. Wait, let's see. You can see the earliest mandem. Right, wait. So we go over here, and we go lifetime, and then we go date subscribed, like most oldest date subscribed. So who do we have here still? Hugh's still here. Bedge still pulls up every day. Bedge was number 10. Eugene, super early on. Right, Yan super early on. A D tier as well. Who else pulls up? Louis. All the man. Cat is one. Yeah, look, bro, but I think, to be honest, a lot of you guys, it doesn't show your subscribers. See, look. Rays, 31. Malenko, 33. Edson. All of these guys still pull up. Dion. DK. Matt. Who else? Chat, loads. But the thing is, like, if you have it on your channel where it says don't share my subscribers, it won't turn up. So a lot of you guys will actually be more early on than this as well. Ranko's there. That's what I mean, bro. That's a true indicator of how valuable this community is. I just support too, you know? Don't even trade like you. Yeah, bro, that's the thing. You don't even need to trade like us. Chat, 15 closed above. Holy shit, bottom wick first as well. But you filled the range. 17th of Jan 2024 is crazy. Yeah, Malenko, that's a W, bro. About to be 2 years. Insane, chat. Time flies, eh? Time really does fly. Chat, this 15 looks really good, right? For a nice little flip entry. Problem is, you've already filled the range and rejected and closed quite bearish off of it, right? Plus, your stops are going to have to be massive, right? Because there's no 30-minute bottom wick as well. So your stops would have to be like even below that. So chat, I can't do anything just yet. I think we need to wait for the hourly here, to be truly honest. That's going to give us some best probability of winning that trade. Just place a trade for the love of the game. Nah, chat, I'm not placing a trade for the love of the game, right? That's the whole thing. Because I love the game so much, I'm not in one. Little wick entry though. Just leave this on the screen just for the banter. Oh, you know what we could do? We could do the ultimate rage bait, right? You trade GC only? Yeah, I trade gold on Forex and on futures. So XAUUSD and GC. But yeah, what's good, Spider, though? Welcome to the chat, man. Rage bait right here with the risk to reward. Love it, chat. Every single time. Patience isn't even a virtue, it's a myth. Nah, patience is a real thing. Chat, I'm hungry, man. I want a chicken burger or some shit like that. That would be crazy. How did the news actually come out, by the way? Oh, it did come out bearish for the dollar, so bullish for gold. Interesting. Interesting. I'm interesting, but I'm never into resting. What's the song about right there? See the lunch? Oh, no. What'd you put in? Did you put your lunch in the chat or what? GC versus NQ. I've never really traded NQ properly, so what is this? How'd you get such high definition pictures of your food? That's crazy. You got more ketchup than food though. That's the problem. Literally more ketchup than food on the plate. And ketchup on top of the food as well. You are a demon. 30-minute flipping? Yeah, crazy, chat. See what I mean about why we didn't take that position? 30-minute flip there already. Eating ketchup with a side of food. Yeah, I know. It's fucking insane. Chat, that's a lot of liquidity right now, though. That is a lot of liquidity. If this 1 hour closes bearish below the level, chat, we are jumping in some sells. Stops are relatively large, but imagine this 15 flips though. At that point, chat, if it does break the high after that, there's no reason for it to not. After it breaks this 30 low as well, holy shit. We only have 10 minutes here to the hourly close as well. This hourly is going to be extremely important, chat. Like really, really important. Chat, W for the patience though. The people that come and jump in and out of the stream trying to look for a trade are never going to make it. But the ones who stay here waiting, staying patient and actually focusing on the learning rather than actually taking positions, you're the ones who are going to succeed, right? You're the ones who are actually going to make money, actually become profitable. People who just want to get a quick trade in and out, they're never going to make it ever. And that's the most important thing to remember, chat. Well, those buys above levels, basically like I wait for a closure above the level and then that's like a breakout of my resistance. Forever ever. What's good, A is A? How you doing, man? Yeah, forever ever. Yeah, so basically we just trade between ranges, right? It's very simple. We wait for a breakout of one range, take it up towards the top of the next range. You know, it's candle range theory essentially, but not really. Just basic range fill technology. TRLS concepts is what it is. Just checked. I subbed at the 17th of January 2024. I thought I was OG. That is OG as fuck. 17th of Jan. That's like day one. W patience, everyone, for everyone not FOMOing. Yes, sir. Danny's right, chat. Danny is right. I need more energy drinks, man. Energy drinks are the key to making money. I've figured this out recently. Chat, I'm going to start drink maxing. Just the more energy drinks, caffeine maxing. How do I check? I've got no clue, bro. Naz is looking ready to get clapped to the upside. Yeah, maybe. You got a Discord? Yes, sir. I have a free Discord. Right here. Fucking sick community in there. There's about 7,000 people in it. Absolute screamer community. Make sure you join it. Jump in, share your trade, share some value, help people learn, help yourself learn. All of them ones there. Chat, I can't wait. Yeah, like I said, I'm jumping on another podcast. Hopefully in September. It's going to be a banger, bro. You guys know the podcasts that I jump on with prop firms are fucking crazy. Like, they're always just such insane value. I love them so much. I love doing them as well. It's super fun. Do you want to come to my podcast? If you have a podcast, I'm there. Will the YouTube course be the same as the WOP course? The YouTube course is already out, or there already is one out, and no, it won't be. It won't be as detailed, obviously, right? I can't give all of that info for free, but it will be very comprehensive. I can't lie. Obviously, like, if people are paying to join my my program, I'm not going to give out the same information for free, right? But to be fair, the streams give out so much fucking information anyway. If you turn up to the streams every day, you're going to learn everything you need to know anyway. You belong to the GOATs? Hey, appreciate it, brother. All right, cool. Chat, hourly flipping again and again and again. Certified turtle type charts. Trust me. I'm working through till module 5 on the WOP and it's been brilliant so far. Hey, Anil, good stuff, brother. Oh, you're the Anil from Discord, right? Yeah, okay, cool. I'm glad you're enjoying it, man. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Yeah, the WOP course is sick, man. It's super comprehensive. No. Okay, chat, cool. So basically, this hourly is going to be crazy. If it closes like this, I'm done. If it closes bearish, we'll look at some sells. And if it closes strong bullish, then we'll take some buys, potentially. But if it closes like this, it's going to be pretty cooked, in my opinion. And I'm hungry. I want to go get some food. So we'll see what happens. All right, nice. I think I sent the wrong link, by the way, earlier. Buy the same zone. If it closes above here, the problem is it's going to be super bearish on the 30, right? You've grabbed so much liquidity. Up the TRLS. Hey, what's good, Tom? How's it going, brother? Up the TRLS, indeed. Had to go into an hour meeting. Yeah, nothing happened, bro. Did you see the instant funding on Equity Edge? Yeah, I think it's fucking terrible. Absolutely terrible. Chat, how do you change commands here? Edit, right? What, the mods know? I don't really know. Yeah, okay. Long live TRLS. All right, cool. What's good, Jar? How's it going, brother? Yeah, man. What if we all full port buyers together? Everyone on all our demo prop accounts? Sure. How will you calculate for someone to have OG batch after 10k subs? Oh, true. Chat, what do you think? Who's considered an OG when we get 10k subs? I think probably first 1k. To be fair, anyone above anyone below like maybe 1k. At the minute, I think anyone below 500 is crazy OG. Wouldn't we basically be a bank? Yeah, pretty much. Watching on my work break, making some good progress with the demo. Hey, Tom, good stuff, man. I'm glad to hear that. Very, very glad to hear that. All right, cool, chat. So 4 minutes to this hourly close. Done for the day. Caught a Twilight trade. Twilight? What is that? Is that a type of trade, or you mean the time, or what? Like, saw the risk management video yesterday. Gonna implement it. Good stuff, Spider. I appreciate it, brother. Chat, if you haven't watched the most recent... Oh, 6 a.m. Okay. I thought you meant it was like an entry type or some shit. I was about to be like, whoa, what's this? Yeah, chat, if you haven't watched the most recent YouTube videos, make sure you go watch them. They're fucking crazy, right? So much value in them for free. I'm going to be dropping a trade recap today as well, which is going to be sick. Yeah, but all of these are absolutely killers. This prop firm risk management one is slept on. Absolutely slept on because it's super, super valuable. What happens when you pass an Apex eval? Just continue trading with 53k. When you pass the evaluation, you have to wait overnight. The next morning, you'll get sent a link to pay the activation fee, and then they'll give you a new account, right? Yeah, don't keep trading with the 53. Has Huss been around? Yeah, Huss pulls up every now and then. Me and him talk pretty much, like, very often. Because we have a, yeah, we talk about a lot of things we have similar views on. Specifically the UK, right? But anyway, I'm not going to talk about that. What's the activation fee on Apex? 130 bucks. So, but the good thing with Apex is obviously you only pay the Apex evaluation once you fucking passed. See, he's doing well. Yeah, he kills it, bro. He kills it. I haven't received any link. You should have received an email, I think. Yeah, but the activation fee is super cheap. Because think about it. You pay $18 for the evaluation if you get it at a discount. Let's say you pay 30, even if it's 80% off, right? Then you pay 130 bucks, which is like what is that? 160 all in for a 50k, and like you only pay after you've passed. Crazy. Is that the guy that pays 14k a month for his apartment? No, that's not us. That's one of my boys out here in Cyprus. Chat, I got some crazy things planned soon, man. We're gonna do some sick videos. I think we might do a yacht trip soon, like rent a yacht. I think we might do some sick stuff. So I'm super fucking pumped. Honestly, you guys are gonna see some really fucking insane like progress in the next year or two. I promise you. Within a year and a half, 2 years. I don't know. So many traders in Cyprus. Why? The tax, firstly. Secondly, there's a lot of trading companies out here. So like XNES's headquarters are in Cyprus. MetaTrader have a headquarters in Cyprus. There's so much, right? There's so much. If you're a beginner trader, it's a no-brainer. What? TRLS or what? Or Apex? Both, I guess. Same with Dubai. Yeah, Dubai is overplayed now, though. I think Dubai's cooked. I'm joking. For me personally, it's not the one. This is so like weird, chat, right now. Such strange price action. Kind of have liquidity from both directions. 5 million plus yacht next year. Bro, I don't think I'd ever buy a yacht. I think that's too much hassle, but I'll definitely be on a yacht this year. Both? Yeah, good stuff. Cyprus, honestly, bro, like, I genuinely, I should do a full video on this. I can't actually explain how good it is. I just genuinely can't put it into words how fucking incredible it is. I'm not saying this because bro, I have no interest in any of you guys moving here. It's just, I'm just sharing my personal experience with you guys, but it's just the best. Honestly, it's just the fucking best. I'm so glad we made the choice to move out here. Hi, I'm new, so let me know what entry looks good from this price. Oh, Raze, that's a fucking good video. Get me involved, man. Get it in the book of videos, chat. It's going in. Hang on, chat. Bear with me whilst I write down this video idea. As a 23-year-old billionaire is crazy because I'm 24 and not a billion and not even a millionaire. But soon, chat. I think we'll hit a million net worth soon. Chat. Oh shit. Wait. Let me lock it in. I already closed above here. Small bottom wick first. 30-minute close. So bearish, chat. There's no position on that right now. You know what I've been thinking about recently? There's so many people on social media that have like such, they say they have such crazy money, right? To be 24, yeah, exactly. I knew someone was going to say that. To be 24, everyone's like, oh, that's old. You should have made your money by then. Bro, that's so fucking young still. You understand? Also, Tom, you're like a couple of months younger than me, you nonce. Chat, that does look like a pixelated pattern. To be honest, right, 100%. Listen, if you haven't already, chat, make sure you join the free Discord. It's very important. Make sure you join the free Discord. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. New to this channel and new to trading. Started a month ago on a real account, lol, with real money. Be careful, brother. Make sure you're doing small risk here. Chat, we have a lot of resources on the channel to make sure you go ahead and actually learn how to trade properly. Make sure you've dropped a like on the stream if you haven't already. And yeah, man, I'd be blessed to make 20K a month at the age of 24. I'm 21 now. Yeah, I know, bro. That's the thing as well. Like, people say 20, 30K a month is not a lot of, well, no one says that actually. But for now, it seems like a lot of, not a lot of money, but it obviously is, right? But chat, let's play the GeoGuessr and we'll call it a session, man, because I'm hungry. I'm not going to get a position right here. We got a banger trade earlier. So let's just leave it at that, man. Get my daily coins. Where are we at? Social media inflates everything? Yeah, it does. It does. But you know what's funny? I was talking about this the other day. I'm going to make a video about this as well. Like, wait. Actually, I'm going to write this down. All right, wait. Chat, join the game. Oh, shit. I just looked up. There's a billion people in here. All right, cool. So, chat, let's get it going. Bear, man, in the GeoGuessr. It's going to be a competitive game. Like I said, chat, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you join the Discord. If you do, by the way, before we start the game, if you do want to learn how to trade and become profitable, I do have their one-on-one mentorships that you can apply to when spaces are freed up. The link is being sent in the Discord right now. And even if you don't get accepted, when you jump on a call, you get a free strategy call anyway. So it's worth doing for free nonetheless. But yeah, chat, let's start this up. Do you have a video where you explain the Apex evaluation and PA rules? I do. It's on my channel. Wait, let me play this GeoGuessr. So this is like the Alps, no? I do have that. It's got to be like somewhere along here. I don't know where. Yeah, where is that actually? Wait. What? Portugal? Oh, Spain. What the fuck? No way you got right on it. Oh, it's Andorra. Fucking hell. Yeah, there's a video on my channel exactly explaining that, Quiet. It's wait. This one right here. Where is it? This one right here. Make sure you go watch that. Very important video. The room colors are way different. What the fuck? Anyway. Next. What do you say down here? How is there no signs? Are you taking the piss? That's like, I don't even know. Why are you not going to wait till NYC? Because I need a lot of stuff to form, right? What's good, by the way, Smoke? Also, first of all, that's crazy. I got so close. Most of the trades I get are before NYC anyway, because pre-NY is really good for my strategy. Secondly, yo, what the fuck? Secondly, it's going to take a while for a trade to set up for me anyway, like at least an hour. Iceland? I don't think this is Iceland. I've been to Iceland. I feel like it could be like Norway or something like that. I feel like it's somewhere in here. I've seen like a Top Gear. Greenland. Bombaklar. Yeah, Jar, I thought Norway too, I can't lie. I was pretty certain it was Norway, but we move. Just give me a fucking sign, man. I don't... Oh. Strasvigi. I feel like that might actually just be Bulgaria. Could be wrong, but I've got a feeling it is. Yes. Is the strategy a variant of ICT? Not at all. It's very, very different from ICT. Way more simple than ICT. What a guess with the Bulgaria, by the way. Ni Dochichi. That's this area, right? That's a sign. I see it. That's a street sign. Get me there. Fuck, I can't get there. It's gotta be Poland somewhere, no? Yeah, I was about to put it even closer. Fuck, everyone got it there. Chat, that was a crazy game. Emmanuel went crazy, chat. 2 people above 20k points. 22, 20, 19. Holy shit. Congratulations, Emmanuel, Malinko, and Mark. W's for the top 3. Chat, listen, that's been it from me. What a stream. Chat, much love. You guys are killing it recently. Honestly, the trading, the discipline, all of those sort of things has been fucking insane. So congratulate yourself. I'm proud of all of you for staying locked in, staying focused, staying disciplined. Taking only A+ setups is such a banger. So listen, chat, make sure you continue that way. Stay locked in, stay focused. If you are trading the rest of the day, make sure you only take those good A+ setups and stay disciplined, risk appropriately, all of those sort of things. And with that, chat, that's going to be it from me. Spam some W's. Peace out. Much love. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.